Hello, I'm Matthias Hüls. I'm a PhD student at the PGI8 in the Forschungszentrum Jülich. And I'm doing my PhD project with PASQuanS, and with this had the opportunity of organizing the Junior Researchers Workshop for this year. Given the framework of PASQuanS, we had the opportunity to invite speakers from various disciplines, ranging from industry applications of quantum technology to experimental platforms. And we really based our program exactly on this. When we started the organization, we were just wondering, from our perspective, what we would find interesting as young researchers. And one point was that we started working in this project but never really knew what experimental platforms are. So this was the first point that we really wanted to realize. And then, given the broad range of partners from industry, this was, of course, the second part that we would like to have. I think the balance first arose from our personal interests as young researchers, mixed with the opportunities that we had given the framework of PASQuanS. Given the broad background of expertise that we have here in PASQuanS, we had the possibility to really look for experts on the topics. For example, we could invite Antoine Michel, who was talking about the application of quantum technology for material simulations. PASQuanS unifies experts from such a broad spectrum of fields. We as young researchers really have the opportunity to get to know people from all of these fields, to network and get to know these people on a personal and scientific level. Because this is one of the big advantages of having these projects, these big collaborations. With this workshop, we had the opportunity to, first of all, get to know what other young researchers are doing in their projects, and then secondly, learn how, let's say, after finishing our PhD or whatever project in academia, we could continue, for example, in industry. So we've seen that there are many applications, many possible pathways. The second point, of course, is that now we can connect faces. We can connect faces to the groups, to the people, to the names that we've known, and now we know the persons behind that.